Introducing Premier School Dhaka Science Lab, where learning meets enchantment. In this fascinating world of innovation and discovery, curiosity and imagination soar to new heights. Our magical science lab offers endless possibilities for young minds to explore. Students become aspiring scientists, experimenting with various scientific principles and phenomena. From chemical reactions to electricity, students experience the thrill of discovering how the world works. But it's not just about textbooks and formulas here. Our science lab fosters creativity and critical thinking. Students are encouraged to push the boundaries of their knowledge, ask questions, and explore beyond the conventional realms of science. Premier School Magical Science Lab, where the wonders of science merge with pure imagination. Enroll your child today and unlock the magic of learning.